Hello, in this video we show you how to remove the throttle body or the throttle valve on BMW 389 E90 model. The throttle body is located on top of the engine, right there. First we need to remove this plastic on top on the air filter and also the air filter housing. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we'll remove the electrical connector for the throttle body and then remove the air hose that's attached to the throttle body. Next we'll remove the throttle body. The throttle body is held by 4 bolts. And that's the throttle body out. Thank you for watching.